Hello everyone, in this video, we are here with a very detailed review of deep fryers, which are indispensable helpers in our kitchens these days. This study is the work of many independent teams, such as a team that has overhauled nearly 100 deep fryers in the last 5 years and many more. More than 200 dishes were cooked in these appliances, including chicken breasts, buns, onion rings, sweet potato fries, and French fries, and the results were compared directly side by side. Ease of use was taken into account. The appliances were also compared in terms of cooking performance, user-friendliness, ease of cleaning, temperature accuracy. Before we begin, we ask you to subscribe to our channel and share your valuable comments and likes to help you with your choices. Let's get started. Number 5. Cuisinart Air 200 Air Fryer. This compact and stylish air fryer makes it incredibly easy to prepare delicious and healthy meals. With an internal capacity of 6 liters, the Air 200 can make all kinds of foods, from French fries to chicken wings, vegetables to desserts, crispy with minimum oil. Plus, with 5 different preset cooking programs, you can effortlessly prepare everything from French fries to desserts. With its easy-to-clean removable basket and user-friendly digital display, it will be your biggest helper in the kitchen. With its 1800 watt power, it provides fast and even heating and offers perfect cooking results. It is extremely simple to use. With its digital display and easily adjustable temperature and time controls, it allows you to cook the food you want exactly at the consistency you want. If you want to add a healthy and practical innovation to your kitchen, Cuisinart Air 200 Air Fryer is for you. Number 4. Chefman Turbo Fry Touch Air Fryer. This compact and stylishly designed air fryer is here to revolutionize the kitchen. With a large capacity of 8 liters, the Turbo Fry Touch is the perfect choice for large families. With an adjustable temperature of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and touchscreen controls, your food will always be perfectly cooked. In addition, Chefman Turbo Fry Touch features powerful air circulation technology for fast and even cooking. You can make crispy fries without using oil, making your meals healthier. It's also easy to clean. The removable and dishwasher-safe parts save you time. This air fryer is not only for frying, but also for multiple cooking functions such as baking, roasting, and grilling. Preparing healthy and delicious meals has never been easier. Take your culinary skills to the next level with the Chefman Turbo Fry Touch. Number 3 is Cosori's 6.8 quart dual blaze air fryer. Equipped with 360 Thermo IQ trademark technology, this smart air fryer cooks your food evenly from all sides. Thanks to its 12 different cooking functions, you can easily implement any recipe from frying to baking, roasting to braising. With a user-friendly touchscreen and more than 100 in-app recipes, you'll find it much easier to work wonders in the kitchen. Plus, you'll save time as this model requires no preheating, eliminating the need to shake food. The removable parts are dishwasher safe, so cleaning is simple too. With its modern and stylish design, the Cosori 6.8 QT air fryer will add an aesthetic touch to your kitchen and is the perfect helper for making healthy and delicious meals. Meet Cosori 6.8 QT air fryer and bring innovation to your kitchen. Number 2. Ninja AF101 air fryer. This 1550 watt technological air fryer powers a fan that automatically adjusts speeds according to your cooking function. It allows you to cook and crisp your favorite foods, like 2 pounds of French fries, using little or no oil in a family-sized 4-liter ceramic-coated basket. It also offers air frying, roasting, broiling, searing, dehydrating, baking, and reheating. With customizable programs, you can cook wings, roasted vegetables, garlic potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more at the touch of a button. Preheating time is virtually non-existent, with a smart processor offering a wide range of temperatures. The ability to fry, bake, air fry, reheat, or dehydrate food makes it your new go-to appliance for any meal or snack. The non-stick air fry basket and tray are easily dishwasher safe. Finally, number 1, the Instant Vortex Plus 6 quart air fryer. This stylish and handy air fryer has features that will revolutionize the kitchen. With its large 6-liter capacity, you can easily prepare large family meals or perfect snacks for your guests. Instant Vortex Plus allows you to prepare healthy meals without using oil while cooking your food evenly with its fast heating technology. 7 different cooking programs ensure perfect results at the push of a button. Ideal for frying, baking, grilling, and more. This model also offers great practicality with its easy-to-clean removable basket. Enjoy cooking delicious and light meals with this air fryer. Whether you're preparing French fries or chicken wings, the Instant Vortex Plus delivers perfect results every time. In this video, we tried to help you make a decision about air fryers based on very detailed studies. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. See you in the next videos. Take care of yourselves.